Hello everyone, Suprabhat, good morning, welcome to TOLCNR. In this video, we will see Indian Evidence Act and Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. Total 8 questions asked under this examination. First question is accused of the murder of B by beating him. Which of the following will not be considered as relevant fact forming part of same transaction as per the Indian Evidence Act 1872? First option, whatever said by A or B at the time of beating. B option, whatever done by A or B at the time of beating. Whatever said by standards at the time of beating. And D option, whatever said by A or B a day before the day of the beating. The right answer is D. Whatever said by A or B a day before the day of the beating is correct answer. Next question, which of the following provision of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 says that the confession to police officer shall not be proved against him? Under section 24, B option section 25, C option section 26, D option section 27. Right answer is section 25. Option B is correct. Section 25 says that the confession to police officer shall not be proved against him. Next question, under which of the following provision of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 dying declaration may be admitted as evidence? Section 25, Section 29, Section 32 and Section 37. Right answer is Section 32. Option C is correct. Next question, which of the following is correct according to the Indian Evidence Act 1872 pertaining to proof of contents of the documents? Option A, contents of documents shall be proved by primary evidence. B option, contents of the document may be proved by secondary evidence. And option C, contents of the document shall be proved by both primary and secondary evidence. Option D, contents of documents may be proved either by primary or by secondary option. Option D is correct. Contents of documents may be proved either by primary or by secondary evidence. Next question, which of the following is a correct statement as per the Indian Evidence Act 1872? First option, leading question may be asked in examination in chief. B option, leading question may be asked in cross examination. C option, leading questions may be asked in re-examination. And D option is leading question can't be asked in cross examination. Right option is B, leading question may be asked in cross examination. Next question, in which of the following case did the Supreme Court of India clarify the admissibility of electronic record as evidence? Option A, Anwar PV versus PK Bashir. Option B, State of Haryana versus Jai Singh. Option C, State of Maharashtra versus Natwar Lal Damodar Das Soni. Option D, State of Punjab versus Jagir Singh. Option A is correct, Anwar PV versus PK Bashir. Supreme Court of India clarified the admissibility of electronic record as evidence under this law. Anwar PV versus PK Bashir. Next question, which of the following is incorrect statement in the light of Indian Evidence Act 1872? Confession always go against a person making it. Option B, admission are conclusive as to matters admitted. Option C, admission may operate as an estoppel. Option D, confession is a statement written or oral which is direct admission of suit. Our right option is B, admission are conclusive as to matter admitted is incorrect statement. Next question, which of the following section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 is an exception to the hearsay rule? Option A, section 32 clause 1. Option B, section 32 clause 2. Option C, section 32 clause 3. Option D, section 32 clause 5. Right answer is section 32 clause 1. Option A is correct. Next question. The question is whether A owes B rupees 10,000. Which of the following statements are relevant under Indian Evidence Act? A option, the fact that A asked C to lend him money. B option, D said to C, A is present and hearing, I advise you not to trust A for he owes B 10,000 rupees. Option C, A bent away without making any answer. And option D, all of the above. Right option is option D, all of the above. The question is whether A owes B rupees 10,000. Which of the following statements are relevant? Relevant under Indian evidence, all statements are relevant. The fact that A asked C to lend him money. D said to C in A's presence and hearing, I advise you not to trust A for he owes B 10,000 rupees. And A bent away without making any answer. Next question, so much of such information, whether it amounts to a confession or not, as relates distinctly to the fact thereby discovered by the police, may be proved under Section 25 of Evidence Act. Option B, Section 26. Option C, Section 27. And option D, Section 29 of the Indian Evidence Act. Option C is correct. Section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act, so much of such information, whether it amount to a confession or not, as relate distinctly to the fact thereby discovered by police officer. Next question, when the court has to form an opinion upon a point of foreign law or of science or art or as to identity of handwriting or finger impression, the opinion upon that point of person especially skilled in such foreign law, science or art, or in question as to identity of handwriting or finger impression are relevant fact. This is under dash of the Indian Evidence Act. Section 42, Section 45, Section 50, Section 55. Right option is B, Section 45. Next question, Kashmira Singh versus State of MP is a leading case of dying declaration, admission, and C option, confession to police officer, and option D, confession of co-accused. Right answer is confession of a co-accused. Option D is correct. Kashmira Singh versus State of MP is a leading case on confession of a co-accused. Next question, which of the following fact is not relevant in civil and criminal cases under Section 8 of the Indian Evidence Act? First option motive, second option attempt, and third option conduct, and third option and last option preparation. Fourth option हमारा preparation. Option B is correct, attempt. Attempt is not relevant in civil and criminal cases under Section 8 of Indian Evidence Act, but motive, conduct and preparation relevant in civil and criminal cases under Section 8 of the Indian Evidence Act. Next question, Indian Evidence Act was enacted in first option 1972, B option 1872, and C option 1955, and D option 1986. Right answer is option B, 1872. BNS enacted in 2023. And BSA, Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. BSA, BNS, BNSS enacted in 2023. Next question, which section of Indian Evidence Act is based on English doctrine of res gestae? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. B is correct. Option B is correct. 6. Under Section 6 of Indian Evidence Act is based on English doctrine of res gestae. Next question, a retracted confession. A option can be solely made the basis of conviction. Option B cannot be solely made the basis of conviction. And option C, cannot be solely made the basis of conviction unless the same is corroborated. And option D, both A and C are correct. A retracted confession cannot be solely made the basis of conviction under unless the same is corroborated. So option C is correct. A retracted confession cannot be solely made the basis of conviction unless the same is corroborated. Next question, under section 79 of Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, what does the court assume about statement made in document signed by a judge or magistrate? Option A, they are assumed to be false. Option B, they are assumed to be accurate and true. And option C, they are considered irrelevant to the case. And option D, they are only considered if supported by additional evidence. Right answer is they are assumed to be accurate and true. So option B is correct. Under section 79 of BSA 2023, court assume about a statement made in a document signed by a judge or magistrate, they are assumed to be accurate and true. Next question, what does section 116 of the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 presume about the legitimacy of a child born during marriage? Option A is the child is presumed to be illegitimate, and option B, child is presumed to be legitimate, and C option, child is presumed to be adopted, and option D, child is presumed to be fostered. And option B is correct. The child is presumed to be legitimate. Under section 116 BSA Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, birth during marriage, conclusive proof of legitimacy. Next question, which section deals with the presumption as to genuineness of certified copies? Under BSA, section 78 of BSA and section 79 of the BSA, section 81 of the BSA and section 82 of the BSA. Option A is correct. Section 78 of the BSA deals with the presumption as to genuineness of certified copies. Now we will see the general introduction of Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, Bill number 175C of 2023, Act number 47 of Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, and enactment date 25th December 2023, and enforcement date is 1st July 2024. Total section is 170 and total chapters 12 of Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this. If you like this session, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.